Hey, I'm Emeric.
And I'm Ben.
And this is NPCNN. Do you want to be featured on NPCNN?
Yeah. Well, let's close our mouths and open our ears to find out more.
NPC students, we have a fun, interactive opportunity for you over spring break to be on NPCNN.
So what we're going to do is everyone can take a video wherever they're at on spring break. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to throw an object coming from your left, and then you catch it, and then all you do is just throw it to your right. That's it.
Make sure to email npcnn@npchristian.org. Right here.
Well, you heard it from them, folks. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Speaking of spring break, let's do a check on what the weather here is going to be like with little homeboy Nathan.
What's up, NPC? Nathan? Benny. Awesome Benny here. Weather? Let's get to it. What's the weather? Good morning. Here's the weather. The weather with me, Nate Dogg. Well, your Monday's going to be pretty good when you guys come back from your weekend. And then it will be partly sunny and cloudy. And then Tuesday will be cloudy. Wednesday will be cloudy and sunny. And then, a little wet day on Thursday. You get a little bit of rain.
Like wet and gushy?
Yeah, wet and gushy. We get rain, like Benny said. And then you get a good one on Friday.
Whether you like it or not, that's the weather. Make it a good day, NPC. See you later, NPC.
See you later, NPC. That's Benny. I'm Nathan.
Wow, he can shoot threes and be nonchalant like the breeze.
Yeah, what a guy. Let's see what Rowan's been up to.
You're probably wondering, what on earth caused a situation like this to happen? Something big must have happened. And something big did happen. Our North Point Christian bowling team qualified for states, and you're currently watching them as they walked out of our school on their way to compete. Let's hear from our bowlers about their experience.
My name is Mary Nightingale, and this was my senior year on the high school bowling team. I was asked, what is my favorite memory from the team? And I would say my favorite memory is probably practices and just the joy and fun that we have at practices together as a team, as well as the tournaments that we do. This year I got to bowl in 3 separate tournaments. I ended up winning 2, and I got third in 1, which was exciting, going to states again. As well as seeing the other people on our team who had successes like Mason Glass.
I'm Mason Glass. I'm a sophomore, and I've been on the bowling team for 2 years. States was pretty dope. There were a lot of really good bowlers there. It was high competition. I do know that. A lot of people there, very chaotic, but it was fun, a fun experience.
My little shout out at the end here is anybody who wants to bowl or would be interested in bowling next year, you definitely should. It's really fun. You really get a good sense of community and make friends with people you wouldn't normally make friends with. And it's really fun to just do a sport together with people, but also by yourself.
This is Rowan Blain, and you're watching NPCNN.
Wow, nothing better than just striking one down the middle and shattering all the pins.
Yeah, there's nothing better than just a fat turkey just popping up on that screen.
I agree, Benny. Well, that's all for today. I'm Emeric.
And I'm Ben. And this is NPCNN. Have a great week.